Hi, to get faster animations on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, just open Settings on the phone and then scroll down to find the Step home screen. After that, you should see the setting animation speed. So, all you have to do is tap it, and now you'll got three options: relaxed, balanced, and fast. So, if you want to speed up animations, choose fast. So if you want smoother, slower animations, then choose this first option, relaxed. And balanced is a balanced animation if you don't want anything extreme. So to get faster animations, you would need to simply choose this option fast by tapping it. And once tapped, the selected option will be automatically applied. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.